Plastilene has been working in eco-design as a group for several years. So here in the US, where we have our new plant, we have several products that are sustainable. One of which is the L board, which is the main reason why Plastilene is here in the US. We have developed a monomaterial, expandable plastic material to replace paperboard that is fully recyclable, fully sustainable for our customers and for the market. Here in Ohio, there's no specific regulations but affect the plastics market yet, but we as a company have been working together with other institutions to be proactive and to be ahead of the regulations that we are pretty sure that are going to be coming. We have examples in other markets where we work, in Europe, in South America, and we're pretty sure that those regulations that are needed for the market are going to come here. So all our experience over in those markets are going to help us to handle those regulations that are going to be coming. We are working with APR to certify that our products are recyclable. We are making some tests with them. We are ready to face regulations here in Ohio and in the US, together with our partners upstream and downstream in the value chain, taking advantage of all our experience in Colombia, in South America, and in other markets.
The use of monomaterial has been a significant gain here by Plastilene, and you will see it become broadly used on a global basis. That has many applications. It's as opposed to, it will replace multi-layered products that are currently used in packaging and go directly into the landfill, whereas the monomaterial can be recycled, and it offers many other benefits to the consumer and to the companies that are producing it. The state of Ohio has an economic development entity called Jobs Ohio, and they do a remarkable job of attracting industry and creating jobs to this state. They recently completed in 2022 a market study on recycling in Ohio, and their conclusion is that given the huge sector of plastics and rubber that is produced, #1 in the country, that's produced here in Ohio, they recognize the huge potential and the importance of recycling and circularity when it comes to plastics and rubbers and that entire family. Jobs Ohio, I think, recognized the innovative creativeness and the sustainable culture that Plastilene lives and puts into action in all of its activities. I think that there's a tremendous upside potential for plastics and packaging in the state of Ohio. It's evolving in terms of we have a long way to go with respect to gaining toward, let's say, the optimum goal of circularity. But when you take the engineering advancements, the scientific advancements and developments, and collaborate amongst the different stakeholders, we are coming up with solutions that will eventually get us to the goal. The Jobs Ohio and Plastilene are visionaries. They recognize opportunity, they recognize that there's going to be change and challenges, but they also recognize that this is a company that can make a significant impact across both the state as well as the United States. That's why Jobs Ohio chose Plastilene. They are inspiring. You know, you have to have a passion, and this company has a passion, and that's the truth. And that's how I've always worked in my life, is you have to be passionate about what you do.